Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to set up WordPress in your Hostinger account. So, if you have purchased hosting from Hostinger and you wanted to install WordPress on your hosting account, and if you are very beginner, you have no any coding skill, you have no any previous experience, then this tutorials will be very helpful for you. Here you can learn everything very easily and quickly. So let's get started. First of all, I am going to log in my hosting account. You have to log in your hosting account with your email and password, or using your username or password. I have logged in my hosting account. Then you have to click on the manage hosting, and from here you have to select your domain. If you have only one domain, then you don't have to do anything in here, but if you have multiple domain under this hosting, then you have to select your domain from here. For example, I wanted to work or install WordPress under Ecommerce solution agency.com in this domain, and that's why I'm going to select this domain. Okay, I have already installed WordPress in this domain. I have to create another subdomain to show you everything from the beginning. Okay, so first I'm going to click on the domains, then click on the subdomains. Then my subdomain name will be BN, because I want to create another business website only for Bangladeshi people of my country people or Bangla language people. Okay, then click on the create. Okay, our subdomain has been created. Now we are ready to install WordPress on our subdomain. Click on the dashboard, click on the WordPress overview, then select your subdomain bn.ecommerce solution agency. Now we are ready to install our WordPress. Super easy process. Just you have to click on the install WordPress. So click on this button, then WordPress installation will start. Now you have to write website title. So I'm going to write website title in here. I can type my website title, best e-commerce solution agency in Bangladesh. Then here is administrator email. You have to add your email in here. Then you have to add username in here. So I'm going to add my username. For now I just add admin. Then you have to add your password in here. Here is a example, admin@pass. Okay, so I have write my password in here. You have to add your password, and you must have to keep this password in secure space or in secure folder. I hope you understand about that. I just use this password for now as a demo purpose. Okay, we have added administrator username, administrator password. Then we have to click on the next. So simple. Then click on the install. So we have to wait a little bit time to complete this installation of WordPress. Wow, our WordPress has been installed, and you can see that here is the WordPress website title, best e-commerce solution agency in Bangladesh. Okay, and you can see here our subdomain is selected where we have installed the WordPress. Now it's time to check our website. So how you can just click on the admin panel, and you can see that our WordPress has installed. Wow, we have successfully installed WordPress on our Hostinger account under the subdomains. So here you have learned how to create subdomain in Hostinger under the main domain, how to install WordPress in Hostinger. So I hope you understand everything very easily, very quickly, and if you think this video is helpful for you, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service relevant to WordPress, then you can contact with me. I have 10 years experience. See you there. Have a nice day. Bye bye.